It's cold. In a time of 3 weeks or so, I will be traveling to Finland, where it's like right in the middle of the winter, and I must say this is good practice for it. I'm freezing, though it's only morning now, so it's not warm yet. After a month of traveling in the deep south, I'm desperate to escape the South Indian heat and humidity. And if Kodaikanal is a popular refuge for the Indian people, then it's fine by me too. Take me to the mountains already. Good morning from Kodaikanal. We are off to Varkala. We are desperately trying to avoid the tourist crowds. It's clear to me after one evening here that this is more of an Indian destination than an international one. By everything that I've read about Kodaikanal, it's mostly a destination for honeymooners and rowdy boy gangs, potheads and so on.
Mushroom heads also.
Mushroom heads. Famous for magical mushrooms, this place is. But what I'm looking for here is more of the offbeat Kodai destinations. I'm so looking forward to getting out of my comfort zone and just trying things that I might not usually try. And of course, I will show you those offbeat places that we find, because that, I think, is where the magic of any place, and especially Kodai, lies. We're close to the waterfall. What a better way to start a morning than a walk in the forests. So beautiful.
Yep.
And so quiet and unpolluted. You can actually smell the pine trees and hear the plethora of birds just singing their songs away. Hello. No. That's not what I meant. Not what I meant. Oh, hello. Look at that. Here. Clouds there.
Yeah. So, Johanna, staying in Varkala or going back? Look at all the climbing the stairs. No?
Whatever we not want.
Let's go. Long way to go.
We're too tired to walk all the way back to main Kodai. I've never hitchhiked in India, but I've wanted to climb on top of a truck for such a long time.
And a ride in an avocado van.
This is my dream.
Oh, be careful.
Those are very ripe. This is so much fun. I should connect more like this with local people. Especially the mountain people are always so kind to me. I've become too shy and timid in India, but seeing the normal life here is my favorite part of traveling. And of course, finding these cheap, ripe avocados. Oh, that was a bumpy ride. Oh, it's like a roller coaster, but actually more fun. And now I think we are getting 1 kilo of avocado. I will never eat anything else ever again. Girl gets her avocados, Indian avocados. So this is local eating. I'm not destroying the world environmentally. Score. 1 kg price is as much as I'll pay for 1 medium-sized avocado in Finland. And it's the ripe ones we're getting, so I don't even have to start waiting for them to get ripe at the guest house.
1 kg 100 grams.
Ah, yes. Happiness. This 1 kg 100 grams, 250. I'm pleased. Good morning from Varkala. We are taking an early start for the morning and heading towards a relatively famous viewpoint called Dolphin Nose, and I just have to show you what we already found here after just a minute's walk. I'm getting convinced by the minute that we have been staying in a paradise which has just been engulfed in a thick mist, and we didn't know it before this morning.
Look at the music coming from there. Yep. Hot heads in the morning.
This is why we usually try to avoid the Israeli crowd, but I don't know what insanity it was that made us decide that yes, we want to stay at the Israeli town. But it's lovely.
Kodaikanal is quite remote from the main Kodai, and there aren't that many things to do there, but that's what makes it such a wonderful getaway. Peace, quiet, and walks in pristine nature are more than enough.
Maggie. Look at the views.
Well, that was a quick walk, and yeah, I insist on calling it a walk because I do not consider this 15-minute walk downhill a hike or a trek, as so many online articles seem to call it. Vinod had been reading reviews where it said that, oh, you have to like really strain your eyes to even be able to see it, and it's okay. It's like, it does actually look quite pretty there. It is also nice to be in the middle of the nature. It's just like having been so much in the middle of the nature, this is like just another normal nature walk to me. This is my suicide point. If I ever kill myself in India, this is where I'll come.
Now's the time.
Going. Yeah, from here it is really pretty. And I do want to take the iconic my feet in the air photo from here.
That's scary. I'm not even going there.
Like two people who are like deadly scared of the heights. Yep. Are you coming, Vinod? What a girl! As you can see, guys, I'm the one who wears the pants in this relationship. He doesn't even come to a Ferris wheel with me. I don't know what's wrong with the guy.
Guys, do not do this at home. This is dangerous. That cliff there is just... Whew. There's nothing beyond that.
This is life.
Nope. This is not life.
Yeah, guys, he said that you cannot conquer your fears in Kodai, and that is exactly what he's proving here. Not conquering his fears. Here I am on the edge and he's there. Oh my god, that was fun.
Yes.
And so comforting.
I don't think it was that disappointing.
Once you get to the like very tip of the rock there, it's quite nice, and it's a little bit scary, which makes it more exciting.
Oh, look at that. Like, it's like we can actually see the clouds forming here.
way back up to Varkala. And I have to say, it wasn't that bad to come down here for the view spots in the end. I think the views, especially because we got really lucky with the clear skies, so the views were surprisingly amazing, and we got some really nice photos and got to enjoy the fresh air and silent nature and the magnificent views, of course. So overall, I'm very happy with this morning walk, but now comes the part that I'm not that happy about, which is, yep, getting back up. We saw a few other travelers down there too, and I do not get what is the point of coming down, taking a few shots, and then climbing back up again immediately. At least we were chilling down there and enjoying the views rather than just like to and fro.
Yeah.
Doesn't like me.
That's a stupid dog.
Oh, so climbing all the way back up truly grew my appetite. You know what? How are you feeling?